Hey guys, welcome to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith channel. Today we're going to make butterscotch toffee pecan cookies.
Yummy.
All the good stuff. That all sounds yummy to me. So, let's get started because, you know, that's what we do. We just jump right in there. First off, I have 2.5 cups of flour, all-purpose flour right here. And then we're going to mix in a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. All right, that's all going in there. And then we'll just mix that up a little bit so it's not all in one spot. Okay. Now we got another bowl, and then we're going to put in our butter and sugars. And the butter is 2 sticks, which is 1 cup. And it really got warm. It's not melted, but it got warm. I had it on top of the stove while it was heating up. So there's 1. And here's 2 sticks. There we go. Okay. Now, we're going to put in 1 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of white sugar. So we're just going to mix all that together first. And vanilla, it says too. So the vanilla is 2 teaspoons. So there's 1.
1.
And 2. 2 and a little bit for good measure. So we're going to mix this all up till it gets nice and creamy and fluffy. So we'll be right back. Alright, got that all mixed up. And now we're going to add in 2 eggs. Okay? It's my little handy dandy egg holder. That's so cute. Put 1. And a plop for 2. Get that all mixed up in there now.
You're about ready to plate them.
You wish. He's been waiting on these. He likes the toffee cookies. All right, so then we're going to put in our dry ingredients, okay? We'll do that 1/2 and then 1/2. And guys, this is pecan butterscotch toffee. So the pecans is 2 cups of pecans, which doesn't hurt Billy's feelings at all.
Not at all.
You know.
And toffee, how can you go wrong?
Toffee, yeah. And butterscotch.
And butterscotch was my dad's favorite.
And guys, you could always just substitute chocolate chips in this and call it, you know, something else. Toffee chocolate pecan cookies. But we're using butterscotch. We get this cookie dough mixed up, and then the rest of it we just fold in. So we're putting in 2/3 cup of what I have are Heath bits. You can use with the chocolate, without the chocolate, whatever kind of toffee bits you want. Okay, 1 10-ounce bag of butterscotch chips, 2 cups of chopped pecans. Look at that. That's it, guys. Cookies are so easy to make. That's why I love making cookies for things. Like, the hardest part is the oven. That's what takes the longest. If you make small cookies. You make big cookies, you're not there all day.
And it helps if you turn it on and preheat it.
Yeah, mine is. 350 degree. We've got roofers here today, so I've been trying to do this video all morning. So I've had my eggs out, put back in the refrigerator, to get my butter out. Then I left it on the stove there with it preheating, and it got a little warm, but that'll work. It wasn't melted. Yeah, right now they're waiting on the shingles to get here, so I got a little bit of time. You might hear some pounding or walking on the roof or something. They were here at 7:20 this morning. I said, we got big bugs up there or we got roofers up there. Thank goodness it was the roofers.
Yeah, they had it tore off in about 3 hours.
All right, guys, that's it for that. Let's start getting it on the cookie sheet here. So I got some parchment paper down here. I've got my big scoop, which is a tablespoon or 1 1/4, I don't know. So we're just going to scoop them out. Whoop. I think they will like a cookie or two. I know I would like 4 or 5 of them probably.
I'm thinking that, me too. Cold glass of goat milk, some cookies.
Yeah, guys, we already had our blood work done, so now we can eat sweets. We're like, it's good for a few weeks. Now I can eat. Kind of balances out in our mind.
Only thing is, eating it a whole lot faster putting it on than it is taking it off.
Tell me about it. I gained 15 pounds when we started this channel within 2 months, and now I still can't get it off. All right, guys. We are going to stick these in the 350 degree oven for 15 minutes, and then we'll see how long we need, and I'll let you know. All right, guys, I left them in my oven about 18 minutes. This is what they look like. They smell just as good as they look.
Oh.
So we'll take these off and let them cool, and we'll be back for a taste test. All right, guys, here we go. Let's get a taste test going on. They're still hot, but look how soft and crispy around the edges and soft in the center and chewy. As you see, it's falling apart because it's still hot. So good. First time I ever made them, and this is my new favorite. No chocolate chips in it. My new favorite, guys. You're going to have to give this one a try because it's so good. I just happen to have everything in my cupboard because I keep stuff like that all the time. But, my new favorite. Butterscotch Toffee Pecan Cookies. I will put the ingredients in the description box. So guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Cookies. Yum. My favorite. Peace out.